So here's actually where a lot of the Hubotics ideas are born. So our Hubotics Lab looks like a lab, it's not exactly clean and neat, not supposed to be. I refer to this as our under 30 room. This is generally where nobody over 30 gets it. They're experts in telling you why it can't be done. In this area, they get free reign, they get new robots, they get printers, they get whatever they need. And presuming with TikTok or Snapchat or YouTube, they're gonna figure out ideas that I probably don't know or I think will take months rather than days. So a couple of things we're working on right now. Something we're really excited about, we're actually gonna bring this right now to a medical show. This is combining robotics and AI to rethink and break through the barriers of the idea of quality when it comes to medical devices. About 10% of all revenue in the medical device industry goes to the cost of quality. That puts it anywhere from $25 to $35 billion a year are spent on it. Biggest problem is inspection. A lot of the times, the inspection criteria is actually needs to look like that. Well, from our background, that doesn't sit well with us. We're used to, I don't care how many decimal points you put on something, we need a dimension. We'll hold it. This is much more subjective. So rather than fight the system, we figured out how to rethink what we do to redo how they think. So what you're seeing in these two platforms is actually, we're looking at the back end, I'll show you around the front, but we're replicating the human eye in optics, and the humans are training the machine learning algorithms to basically mimic what they do, but do it obviously with digital accuracy. So what we're seeing here is another use of human-inspired robotics, is why I got the name Hubotics, right? There's no just automation answer and there's no just human answer. We have to work in concert. So what we're seeing here, you come around to show you a little bit. This is a vascular introducer. Everybody uses them. A lot of people make them. The problem we see is the tip of this, which actually what goes into your body, doesn't have very clear, definitive quality expectation. Well, it does, it's not quantitative. So what we've done over here, this is, you see the end result. For the past 3 months, we've had operators examining the pictures that the robot is facilitating with all the optics we put in place. And those optics can be customized to make, to get the best picture of whatever we happen to be inspecting. In this case, this tip. And at the end of it, it tells you good part, bad part, good part, bad part, because you told it. Interestingly, what we're finding already is that the 80% effectiveness of humans in inspection is statistically proven, meaning, in this case, about 1 in every 5 parts that should be sold are ending up in the garbage. More importantly, 1 in 5 parts that are being sold should be going into the garbage rather than into your body. And that's because we're using AI inspection and using machine learning to learn from humans and then feed it back to us saying, well, that's great, thank you for all the instructions, but what you thought was good and bad very distinctly are actually quite overlapping. And that's a huge breakthrough once we adopt this in the industry.